What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Zero Design. So today we are going to be taking a look at the Milescraft FeatherBoard. This is the single. It's the 1406 model. We're going to take a look at it, and then we're going to install it real quick. It's going to be a real short video, guys. What these are going to do is they provide a maximum pressure from here to your cutting surface. This makes it a lot easier and a lot safer to get accurate rips and cuts on your table saw. So we're going to dive right in. I already opened up the package. I don't like doing the unboxing videos, but basically once you open your package, you're going to have your instructions. You're going to have two metal miter bars. One is a 5/8 and one is a 3/4. You're going to have two S knobs, and then you're going to have a couple bolts and some of your hardware in here is washer and 4 bolts. So we're going to head over to my table saw right now, and we're going to install it, and that'll be about it, guys. All right, guys, so we're at the table saw. First thing you guys need to do is you need to bring both your rails, the 5/8 and the 3/4. You need to see which one is going to fit in snug. For me, it's the 3/4. So set that one off to the side. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take one of each of these bolts. And if you look on the back of this rail, the circle one goes there. And this oval rectangle-y one goes in here. Flip that over, set it back down. Then it's just simply feeding the FeatherBoard in over the bolts like that. And now you can adjust it as to where you need it. Just like that. Put your washers on. There you go. That's how you install it, guys. So now, when I take this board and I feed it through, I gotta adjust it a little bit more, but it'll provide continuous pressure up against that fence. There is a directional arrow. I don't know if I mentioned that. Make sure that your feed direction is pointing away. And that's it, guys. Real simple, real easy. So we're gonna run some cuts with it. Alright, guys, so that was it. I mean, it's super simple to install. It doesn't really get any easier than that. I like it. It did feel a lot nicer when I was cutting. It gave me an extra hand, so I didn't have to put, the push stick on the end and another block here to feed it through. It basically took away the use of my left hand. It felt a lot safer, and I'm excited to see what else I can do with it. I know you can also put them on some table saw fences. You can put them so they're pushing down on the board. I wish my fence had that ability, because that would probably be the most I would use it for, is something like that. So I am going to try it out on the bandsaw later. I do got a little work over there to do. And they also provided me with the double FeatherBoard. And we'll be taking a look at that probably within the next coming weeks. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. I will leave a link to the FeatherBoard down in the description below. And as always, guys, I'm Zach with Zero Designs. Let's get to work.